Yes guys, good afternoon. This is pansitan. And this one, dahon sa saging, nalaya. Leaves, banana leaves, dry banana leaves. Now, I will make blend this one. So, now. Imunin natin tea guys. Daghan kainig ka ng prevention ng kuana. Dahon sa saging. Kung gusto nyong malaman, add to mo sa YouTube. Okay? Bye. See you.